Here I have Samsung Galaxy M31s, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up till you enter this kind of menu. Here in this menu, what you have to do is to use volume keys to navigate to the 6 option wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key, and then confirm it by selecting yes. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option reboot system now to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.